Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Chevrolet Traverse. First, let's start with the fundamental shape. Begin by lightly sketching a large rectangular box, about 2/3 of your paper's width, for the main body. Then, add a slightly smaller, angled box on top for the cabin. Connect these two primary shapes with gentle, curved lines to establish the Traverse's distinctive profile. This initial step is crucial for setting up the correct proportions and overall stance of your drawing. Now, let's bring more definition to the Traverse's body and add the wheels. Gently refine the contours of the hood and fenders, giving them a subtle curve. Next, draw two large, evenly spaced circles for the wheels, making sure they sit correctly beneath the body. Add smaller inner circles for the wheel hubs and to indicate tire thickness. Don't forget to sketch the distinctive side character line that runs gracefully along the vehicle's length, adding depth. Moving on, we'll focus on the essential features like windows, lights, and the grille. Carefully outline the windshield, side windows, and rear glass, ensuring they follow the cabin's shape. Next, draw the large, distinctive headlights and taillights, capturing their unique design. Sketch the prominent front grille, paying close attention to its specific pattern and the Chevrolet emblem. Finally, add the side mirrors and door handles, ensuring their placement is accurate for a realistic finish. For our final slide, let's add the finishing touches and bring your Traverse drawing to life with shading. Include smaller details such as roof rails, exhaust pipes, and the antenna. Carefully refine all your lines, erasing any initial construction marks. Now, apply light shading to create depth and highlight the vehicle's contours. Use darker tones for shadows, especially under the vehicle and within the wheel wells, to give it a grounded and three-dimensional appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.